Scene script. Ever pondered on how the moon, that gleaming celestial body in the night sky, holds sway over the human body? It's not just about the romantic poems or the werewolf myths. There's a scientific angle to the moon's influence on us. Recent research has started to shine light on this intriguing correlation. While the moon doesn't turn us into mythical creatures, its gravitational pull has subtle, yet fascinating effects on the human body. The moon's gravitational force is strong enough to move the vast oceans, creating tides. But how does it affect our bodies, which are roughly 60% water? Some scientists believe that just like the seas, our bodies too experience a sort of biological tide. A study published in the journal Current Biology in 2024 found that around the time of the full moon, people took 5 minutes longer to fall asleep, slept for 20 minutes less, and experienced a decrease in deep sleep by 30%. This was consistent even in places with artificial light and climate control, suggesting a deep-seated biological rhythm. Further research from the University of Basel, Switzerland, found that the lunar cycle can influence our hormonal balance and menstrual cycles. They found that melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, wanes during the full moon. But it's not all about negative impact. There's a brighter side too. A study from the University of Hertfordshire found that people have increased mental alertness and physical strength during a full moon. This is believed to be an evolutionary trait from our ancestors, who would have benefited from being more active at night when the moon was brightest. So, while more research is needed to fully understand these effects and individual experiences can vary, it's clear that the moon, in its silent, shimmering glory, has more of an impact on us than we might have previously imagined. It's a reminder of how interconnected we are with the cosmos, even in ways that aren't immediately obvious. So next time you find yourself gazing at the moon on a clear night, remember how this distant celestial body, subtly yet surely, influences the rhythm of life here on Earth.